Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 4A, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side, or actually that doesn't matter if it's right side, but just top of the screen, and then swipe down again, which will extend the list of visible toggles. Now, on one of the pages, we should have our Do Not Disturb mode. For me, it's located on the second page right over here, but if you can find it anywhere, you can click right here on this pencil, and then find it in this list right here. Once you do, you would just simply click on it, it would get added, and when you go back, it stays added. Now, once it's visible in this list, first time around, hold it. And when you do, this will take you to the settings, and in here, we can create our own mode, which kind of implies our own Do Not Disturb mode partially, or we can edit just the Do Not Disturb mode itself. So when we click on it, we can choose, for instance, people, which under here we can select who can message us, who can call us, with additional options for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected, for instance, right here. If it's none, doesn't matter if they meet that requirement. Further down, we have applications. You can select what applications will basically bypass this mode, alarms and interruptions as well. And then under more settings, we have display settings, which allows you to choose some kind of things like grayscale being enabled in this mode, dim wallpaper, keeps screen dark when receiving anything notifications. Oh no, it's just always on display being turned off. We have the notifications itself, dark theme, and so on. So you can add some kind of flair to it when you turn it on to kind of appear more like it's in this mode. And then duration for quick settings. This is one of the options that I like to change. It usually is set to the indefinite option, basically, to run till you turn it off. I like to set it up on a timer, something like 4 hours. So when I set this and turn on the mode manually, it will run for a specified amount of hours instead of till I turn it off. As turning it off requires you to remember about it, and I'm a smooth brain, so I tend to forget about it. This kind of makes it, less of a problem, as I don't need to remember about it anyway, not like I did, and it will turn it off for me. Now you can also select the last option, which will give you these two options every time, with the ability to change the time here every time as well. Any case, so that's our Do Not Disturb mode itself. And to turn it on, once it's all set up, you just find it and click on it and click right here, and you're good to go. Now it tells you also that it's going to be running till 8:46 because of that 4-hour timer that I set up. Or I can turn it off myself by clicking on this for the second time later on. Now, that's one thing. Now, another thing that I can do is, like I mentioned, create your own mode, which inherently means create a Do Not Disturb mode yourself. Set it up to whatever you want, name it whatever you want. Select Done at the bottom. And this, for some reason, Do Not Disturb mode itself doesn't have this, but here you do. You can set up a schedule. So you can select a start, end time, and each day of the week. So, if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure it is toggled on in here and you're good to go. And nice thing is you can actually select the same options here for people, meaning calls, messages, apps, and other things. And you can set them up, for instance, differently in this mode than the other Do Not Disturb mode, and have two different kind of modes that would have two different effects on your device and settings. And for instance, I don't know, maybe you have an option where you want it to run during the work hours, right? And you don't want to be notified about anyone calling you other than maybe employees that you work with, right? For whatever reason. So you can have this one, and then, for instance, when you're with your family, you can have a different Do Not Disturb mode set up differently. That would automatically disable all those people that you work with, because you're on your personal time. So, you have some more versatility here because of the ability to set up two different settings for Do Not Disturb modes and have multiple Do Not Disturb modes. In any case, that's about it. So yeah, that's basically it. One more thing that I do want to mention is when the schedule mode turns on, which is on right now on its own, you can turn it off yourself as it automatically turns itself on. So you just click on this toggle. You can see it's the custom one right now. So you can just tap on it, boop, and turn it off. Just know that this is running every single day of the week starting from 9:30 till 5 p.m. So it will turn itself on tomorrow starting at 9:30. So if I don't want it to have it turn on every time, I would actually hold it and disable it like so. And this would prevent it from turning on. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.